over-the-air updates deliver the latest features, smarter performance, and stronger protection wirelessly, with no need to visit a dealership. Stay ahead with ease. Follow these simple steps on your onboard touchscreen. Accept the update manually from your vehicle screen. The pop-up appears at engine off if the vehicle doors remain closed. After accepting the installation, you can leave the vehicle while it completes automatically. You can also check if an installation needs to be launched by going to Settings on your infotainment system. Select Updates. Here you'll see any new software available to install. Download occurs when the engine is on. The installation starts only when the vehicle is switched off, parked, and your battery is sufficiently charged. A progress bar is shown during update installation. After installation, a success message is shown on the main screen. After completing these steps, you are ready to enjoy everything your connected services can offer. For more details, please contact DS Customer Service via My DS app.